Hi guys, Peter Webster back again. As promised, we have a rehousing, but first off, another parcel's arrived. So I'm going to unbox this quickly, and we might as well rehouse this one while we're doing the other guys. Okay, let's show you what we've had. Now guys, I nearly fell off the chair when I seen how big this bugger was. Seriously. I knew it was a nice size female, but I've already had a quick look at it. Make sure, because there we go. Let's chuck that box over there. There we go guys. What about that stunner? That is a Lasiodora fracta, adult female. Well, I would say sub-adult female, to be perfectly honest. Never actually heard of the fracta, but when it came for sale I hadn't got it, so I had to buy it. And this is another internet purchase from Preloved. And like I said, you've had a couple of you guys have emailed me asking what Preloved's like. Guys, go for it. You get stuff like this. I've never seen this anywhere else. I've not seen many of them in the hobby, to be honest, but there we go, Lasiodora fracta, and I've named her Bess, Big Bess. Right, let's crack on with these rehousings then. First off, we'll do the Xenestris imani. I've got all the enclosures readily set up. Just don't like these tubs. So we'll, same protocol as I use all the time, but I just ain't got the big box on the table yet. Come on little guy, which way are you coming out? Back that way. There we go. Taking your moss from me as well, little fella. Right, now you can get a better look at the Xenestris imani. See him okay? There he is at the side of the tub there. Okay, that's one done. I don't know where I'm going to put him, yeah.
Okay, I'm in there.
Right, next one. This is my gift off Gandalf. See if I can butcher the name again. The Lauronathus Gianni Sposatoi, whatever.
No.
Steady on. You're coming out with gusto, this one is. Now, you're going to come out with which way you're going to shoot. So let's have a look. Let's test the water with you. And there we go, he's out. Where you gone? Has he gone to the cork box?
No, is it?
No, there he is. And there we go. There he is. That's the gift from Gandalf. At the front of the box, but you can't see. That's about the best picture I can get you. Right, that's 2 down successfully. Number 3, we'll do the Pamphobeteus esmeraldas. Which is over here. the ball butt. So without further ado, let's chop the lid off into a bit of water. Stop flicking, no wonder you got a bald arse. Look at that little bugger flicking. Right. Are you going to be a good spider and go? Or are you going to come out like an arsehole? Come on. Come on. You're making me sweat, spider. You're supposed to be happy just to go into your new home. There you go. Ooh, stop flicking. I'll be sneezing in a minute. There we go. One final flick. And she's in there real quick. There you go, guys. There's the Esmeralda. Okay. Put that back in stock. Next one is the Panthobeteus insignis. And we have her here. Are you going to be a little flicker? Yep, you are. Stop flicking. I know you're grumpy and you don't want to be messed with, but I don't want to be sneezing for the rest of the day. Come on, let's have you in. Nano's on top, that's it. Reverse. There we go, he's a stubborn bugger, this one thinks he wants to go in reverse. There we go. That's number 4. And just give you a quick nose at her. There she is, just chillaxing. Oh, wrong way. OCD attitude. Better one feeding now. Right, who we got here? Right, we're going to do the Arboricola first, the Borneo Black. And these should be straightforward enough. In these pots anyway. Roly poly. You've webbed that up nicely, girl. No wonder you've molted. Okay. There's the molt, guys. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, you got to leave your web now. You got a big place to web up. For the Borneo Black, she's very calm. And there she is. There we go. Just pop it down on the floor, Flower, until dropping everything. Pop that in wherever. Okay. Next one is the next biggest one, which is the adult female, and this is the orthodox species Laos or Laos, depending on what part of the world you come from. This is the adult female. Okay, let's see if you go in there nicely. How about that? And there she is, just down there, guys. Lovely looking spider. Number 6. Okay. Finally, the big girl. Right. Now, what fun are we going to have with this one, I wonder? I think what we're going to have to do is just pray to the rehousing gods. Right, here she comes. Get the tickle brush on the ready. Go on. They don't need to flick out. Go on. There you go. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, let's have you. No, she doesn't want to play this one. Oh, get rid of this tissue. There we go. That's it nicely, does it, girl? Looks like she's coming into pre-mob by the looks of it. No, 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 not reversing. There you go. You made me jumpy little bugger. She does not want to play. Bear with me, guys, she will come out. By hook or by crook. That's it, tickle your calipers. You like that, don't you? I said, do I bout? Oh, there we go. Give her a gentle nudge. I'll just quickly show you before I put the top on her. And there she is, Big Bess. Right, time to shut you up, little girl. Little, not. Right, guys. Yet again. It's like a pig now because she's been kicking. 7 wonderful rehousings. No escapees, no attacks. That's how I like it. So that's the end of this portion of the video. Right, now just a quick note. I've had a few emails off a couple of you guys asking if there's any huntsmen spare that I'll give you, and we've actually potted them up now, and I've got enough for about 6 or 8 of you if you want a couple of the huntsman slings. If you do, just drop a comment down at the bottom of this or message me on Facebook Messenger and I'll get back to you, get your address. But first come, first serve. The people who'll get them off first, get the questions off first. That dog's never right. Saying you'd like some huntsmen, I'll post yours first, and the other people will have to hang on till next post day, because sending 8 parcels out, that's like £40, and that's £40 that'll buy me a spider. So that being said, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video and my new addition. So that's 7 new members of the family. We have another unboxing video coming tomorrow. There's a minimum of 2 spiders in that one, so you won't want to miss this next one. I hope not anyway, but you will enjoy what I've got. Nothing major. This is the big girl. I'm over the moon with her. She's humongous. One big butt on her. So for now, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want an huntsman, the first 8 people to ask for them, get them, and they'll be sent out in order of you asking for them, obviously, as I just said. So take care, guys. From me, Peter Webster in the Inverterium, I'm out. Bye bye, guys.